You know the vibes out on this side. Yeah, you know the vibes. Been in this thing winning rings for a while. Put it to the test, I could win it in a trial. Ain't no need to flex, cause I know you see the style. Yeah, I know you see the vibes. Yeah.
Most people think you need a lot of money to travel more, but I'm telling you, it's not about the money, it's about strategy. These 3 hacks helped me from going 1 vacation a year to traveling the world. And today I'm breaking them down step by step. Welcome back to Real Travel Speaks, and if you're new here, I travel to different countries, sharing real tips, real experiences, and real ways to make travel more affordable. So let's go ahead and jump in the first hack, because this alone going to save you hundreds. So the first mistake what people do is they choose the country first, then they book the flights. But really that's the fastest way to get discouraged. Travelers who travel often, we do the opposite. We book the flight first. The reason why is because this method you use price over the destination. Doing it this way, you can keep a price alerts on 8 to 10 cities. And when one drop, boom, that's become my next trip. That's how I end up seeing more countries without going broke. Another trick is to use the Explorer map on Google Flights. Set your origin, select the flexible dates or cheapest months. Just book for the best deal. If you're flexible, by even 1 day, you can save yourself up to $50 to $200 easily. So that's hack number 1. Book the deal and not the destination. Hack number 2. This is what I like to call the Accommodation Stack Hack. So what you want to do is never book the first hotel you see. You need to stack your search. Use the booking sites against themselves. Make them compete. Compare the prices on Google's Hotel, Agoda, Booking.com, Airbnb, or Hopper Home, and Hotel Tonight for last minute deals. And sometimes calling the hotel directly can give you a discount or free breakfast. Here's another pro tip when you're staying in a hotel or Airbnb. Stay 1 street outside of the tourist zone. I mean literally, a 3-minute walk can save you up to 20% to 40%. Also, if you have them, use your travel credit cards. Those points that you racked up, use them. They can save your costs and cut the prices in half. Alright, so hack number 3, stay travel ready all year long. This is a lifestyle hack and the most important one. Most people don't travel because when the deals come, they ain't ready. You just need a small travel ready routine. Keep a passport with 6 months left, have a go bag with essentials, keep a small travel fund, flexibility for weekend trips, and learn how to pack with a carry-on only. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready, and when you're ready, you won't hesitate. That's how I've been able to jump on the last minute deals and travel way more than the average person. So this is just a quick recap. I wanted to share with you guys 3 travel hacks that can save you time and money and allow you to travel more. Number 1, book flights based on prices. Number 2, stack your accommodation options. And number 3, stay travel ready all year. If you use all 3, trust me, you're gonna travel more than you suspected or ever have all year. So if you want more hacks like these, smash and hit that subscribe and like button. And feel free to grab my ebook, Travel More and Spend Less. It's gonna help you save hundreds on your ventures and have you traveling more than you ever thought was possible. All right, guys, that's it for now. I see you guys next time. This is Real Travel Speaks. Peace.
You know the vibes out on this side. Yeah, you know the vibes. Been in this thing winning rings for a while. Put it to the test, I could win it in a trial. Ain't no need to flex, cause I know you see the style. Yeah, I know you see the